So today we are going to draw a isometric projection. Um, so this isometric projection is for aesthetic purpose only. So here we are going to create the 3D model using the 2D. Okay, so it is not a perfect 3D object. So just we are going to use only line and circle um, commands for creating the 3D. Okay, so it is not a fully 3D, just it is pure aesthetic purpose only. So before going to start, we have to do the prerequisite units, limits, as well as zoom command. Okay, so we have to use the we have to set the prerequisite. So make ensure that so this is ISO draft. Go to ISO drafting. Switch on the ISO drafting first. Okay. So just check. So I will draw one line using normal window. Okay. So but ISO draft. So if you switch on the ISO draft, that grid will change the direction. So the direction of the grid will change. So here I will create one line. Okay. So it will move only two direction. Okay. Suppose if you want to change the direction, just press Control E. Otherwise, you can press F5. So these are the shortcut key for change the direction. Now it is also going only two direction. If you want to change the direction, press Control E. Okay. So this is the drawing procedure. So I will draw this diagram using ISO draft. Okay. So first I will select the long dimension, so 140. So this height is 30, so I will create, so I will change the direction, press Control E. So here 140 minus 60, so 140 minus 60 how much, 80. So here 40, this uh, so 90, so 30 plus 60, 90. So 90 minus 140, here 150. So 50 plus 60 plus 30. Okay. So this one is 50. Give enter. After that, we have to change the direction. We have to give the height here. So height is 15. Then, so this one is 60. Okay. Again, down direction 15. Then this direction 30. So here we have to create. So from this height is 60. Okay. So here the radius is given. The radius is 40 for two rib. Okay. So here inside diameter is dia 40. So I will create radius 40 means we have to draw one rough line 80. Okay. So then give escape. So go to here. We are going to draw the iso circle, ellipse only. So it is not a perfect circle. Okay. Here we have to select the iso circle. So this is my center point. Okay, so ellipse. So here select the iso circle. This is my center point, right? Center point. If you want to change the direction, let's Control E. Okay, so this is my direction. So here we have to specify the diameter or radius. Now it is radius, right? So we want to change it into diameter. We have to select here diameter. So radius 40. Okay, now I will draw one line. Otherwise, from here, I will draw from here. How much height? 30, right? 30. Then from here, I will draw approximate line. Okay, now draw one line to approximate line here. After that, use the trim command to remove the unwanted portions. Okay, so this line and so I don't want. Okay, but we have to create the inside circle dia 40. So again, go to ellipse, axis end. This is my center point. Sorry. Go to axis end. This is my center point. Here, select the iso circle. Then only it will come perfect. So dia is radius is 20. Dia is 40. Okay. Now we got this portion right. Again, I'm going to draw this portion. So here 80 minus 60, 10 here, then again 30 and join here. Okay, then give enter. Again I will draw one line 60, then here 30, then here 10, then height is 30, then close it. Okay, now we have to create this semicircle. So go to axis end, we have to find out the center. Before find out the center, we have to select the isocircle. This is my midpoint and change the direction. This is my direction. The radius is 30, so give 30. Okay, now trim the unwanted portions. Okay, so again I'm going to draw a line. So here, how much? So 80. Okay, 60. So I will this thickness, rib thickness is total it is 80. So 20, 20, 20. Change the direction. So height is from this point to 60. So here 30. Okay, again 80. So okay, that's it. So next go to center axis. This is my center. Before going to find out the center point, say, select the isocircle. This is my midpoint. So here radius is 40. Okay, now trim it unwanted portions. Then again, I'm going to draw a inner inside circle. Go to axis end. So here select isocircle. This is my midpoint. So radius 20, diameter 40. Okay, so I will draw here one approximate line 30. So again, this one is 80. Okay, then give enter. So go to axis end. So find the center point. This is my center point. So this is my center point. Sorry. This is my center point. So here, so 40 radius. Okay. Now trim the unwanted portions. No need these lines. Okay. Now so draw one approximate line from here to here. Okay, now trim it, this portion and this one and this one. Okay, so now I'm going to create this one. So from here 20, then height is 30, again 80, change the direction 80, then give enter. So go to ellipse, so isocircle, find the midpoint, then change the direction. So here 40. Okay, now trim it. Okay, then draw an approximate line from here to here. If you enter, after that you can trim it. Okay, so next I'm going to copy this circle and from here to here I'm going to move the distance 20, right? So 20. After that give escape. After that you can trim it. Okay, now you got this one. So same. So I will copy this one, this line from here to this point. So how much? From here to here 80. 80 or from here to here. Give escape. After that trim it. Sorry. From this point to this point to this point is 80. Okay. So then again I'm going to draw one circle here, isocircle. We have to find the midpoint, right? So I will draw one line. So go to axis end. So now go to isocircle, find the midpoint, then change the direction. So here, how much? So radius 30. Okay, now trim it. Trim the unwanted portions. Okay, so that's it. Next one is dimensioning. So go to here. We is a isometric projection. Angle is not a linear dimension. So we have to use the angular dimension. Okay. So if you're not visible means go to dim style and sorry, dimension style, dim style, and modify the precision value and the text height give 5 and also symbol arrow height 5, give OK and give set current, close it. Now it is visible, right? So I will. Okay, so oblique dimension. We have to use the angular dimension. Okay, so thank you for your watching. Thank you.